Muiretu umwe hari atano agatagati ka ukuru wa miaka 15 na 19 ni ahetwo mwana kana ni ohete nda ya mwana wa mbere. Ino ni riboti ya uthuthuria uria oho wonanitie namba ya airitu aria mohete nda mari thi wa ukuru wa miaka 18 ithiete na mbere kuongerereka. Umuthi Gikundi kia atumia athomi gitaru-ini kia Afrika fawe ngwataniro-ini na ministry ya githomo Gikundi kia mutharaba mutune hamwe na anyititemi angi nimaruguririe tabarira iria tanyitwo gucenjia maundu na njira ya kunyihia namba ya airitu athi wa ukuru wa miaka 18 aria maroha nda na gutiganiria mathomo.
The girls just need empowerment. They need to know when to say no and mean no. They need to know their rights. And once they know their rights, they will fight for their rights. And they will defend themselves.
Can you imagine at the age of 10 to 14, someone has been defiled and they are pregnant, meaning their life status is likely to change because immediately they have a child to take care of. They start living an adult life.
Tabarira no igukorwo igitwarithio na mbere kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 thiini wa kaunti 20 iria itongoretie na namba ino. Kaunti ici ari hamwe na Kiambu, Murang'a, Nyandarua, Nyeri hamwe na ingi.
We have representatives from these counties in this room because we count on you to make this program a success. We count on you to have the girls back into school.
Ministry ya githomo ni iranire kunyita mbaru tabarira ino na njira ya kugacirithia tabarira ingi iria ikoretwo igithie na mbere kugacirithia githomo. Oho ikihinyiriria bata wa honge ciothe iria irakuruhanio tabarira-ini ino kurutithania wira niguo gukinyaniria muoroto wayo.
Fawe, as you spoke, you talked about comprehensive sex education. Let us tread very carefully. Let us work with KICD so that whatever we are disseminating to our girls is approved content. I say that and I'll be supported by my colleagues in this room. It's a very sensitive issue because the church is watching what we are going to tell our students.
Thukuru inyanya hari o county ni kuo tabarira ino igukorwo igitwarithio na mbere kuhitukira ikundi kuria arutwo airitu hamwe na imwana magihota kwiiturura na oho kuheana murugamo wao uria magiteithika. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.